Now this was a project we wanted to do today, and we got it done. It looks good. Good little run. So we got room for the dogs to run back there. Get some plants and shrubs in front of it so we don't see the ugly muddy mess, because the dogs just tear it up. There's not much you can do. And the sun doesn't hit it too good either because of the brick. Okay, and so this actually became the biggest project of the day that took up most of the time. Once we realized that this sprinkler line was busted, had to dig a hole, had to go to a hardware store, get the supplies needed to fix it, and do some testing on it. So I went ahead and videoed the process, and I'll show you what I went to the store to pick up and my thought process and how I attacked trying to get this this PVC section of pipe replaced with new fittings to stop flooding out my my backyard. So that's what this video is. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, back from the hardware store, getting what we needed to get this bad boy. So this is the busted pipe that we drilled down into. Actually just hammered a stake into it. So that's the busted one. Set that aside. We're gonna need 2 couplings. One of these we're gonna have to drill out the inside of the coupling to be able to slide it, make more like a sleeve. So set those aside. We are gonna need some PVC pipe. This is 3/4 inch PVC pipe. We're gonna have to cut that. And tool of choice of like a all-purpose oscillating saw works awesome to get into tight spaces. If you don't have one of these, you can use the hacksaw. You can use any kind of saw you can get into nice tight places. But we're fine. 2 most important things that we're going to need are your cleaner and your cement. Go with the regular. They have slow, regular, and quick. Quick is too fast. I'm not that good, so I got regular. And the cleaner is really important too. It makes the PVC absorb the cement better, and it makes it more porous so that they can get more cement in the surface area inside the PVC when you connect them. So this is the job. Let's get it done. So this is one of the not so fun parts about this fix. But you don't see down in there, you can see a ridge, and that stops the PVC from coming too far in any direction. We need to remove that, so we need to mark where that center point is. All right. And then we're going to take our Timu Dremel knockoff. Okay, so now you can see we've got that little ridge stopper removed. So now the pipe would be able to slide all the way through if we So one and two. But it's going to make it easier to move and bend this one into place. So we'll get outside, continue the job. So for me, this is a pretty low. It kind of just drains here, so the water keeps weeping into the hole that I'm trying to fix. Realize that so the shop vac has been a better tool of choice than the sump pump, because the sump pump needs a bigger hole. And I don't want to, not really into digging huge holes. So let's get stuff we need and get it fixed. Now these are going to be pretty tight. So if you don't have Superman hands, like I recommend grabbing a pair of pliers and coming off of that. So we get the cleaner. And we're going to clean. This is the clear stuff. It doesn't turn blue like the other one did. Pretty liberally. We're gonna apply that to the pipe and inside. That connection. Let that dry. Okay, so full disclosure, that project went pretty quick, pretty hard. Had batteries die, had a battery charger actually break, and the first initial fix failed. Had to go back to the hardware store and pick up new couplings and recut. And at the end of it, I'm not crazy about it. Did one test already, had a little leak, did adjustment on it, and it came back, reconfigured it, put more of the PVC cement on it. So we're gonna let it cure like overnight, get really hard, and we'll test it tomorrow, see how it looks. But so fingers crossed. If it doesn't work, I guess we'll just have to cut a bigger hole more back this way to get access. But really hoping it's working. Thank God it's not August and it's not 400 degrees in Texas, so we'll see. So we did our final test on the irrigation fix and she held up tight, no leak, we're good to go. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video.